Thank you, Mr. President. My question is to the Minister for Primary Industries, the Honourable Niall Blair, a question that's probably to be expected. Last month, in the Parramatta local court, the Koala Park Sanctuary was convicted and fined heavily under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act for failure to provide veterinary treatment to emaciated koalas. And the park was also ordered to pay for the care of one koala in particular, and that cost was well over $50,000. It was stated by the Minister in this House last year that a conviction under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act is grounds for cancellation of a licence. Can you please provide an update as to the status of this case within your department, and when will the Secretary cancel the Koala Sanctuary's licence under Section 31A of the Exhibited Animals Protection Act? Thank you.
6 seconds order.
The Honourable Peter Phelps on a point of order.
The question appear to be asking for a legal opinion, at least in that first third of the question. Just wondering whether you might review the question and find out whether the Minister is being asked for a legal opinion, at which point would be
I am prepared to allow the question, as the majority of it was clearly in order, regardless of whether or not the member may have been asking for a legal opinion. The Minister can answer as he sees fit.
Thank you, Mr. President, and I thank the member for his question. Something that he has asked me about previously, and something that I at the time said that we were still waiting the results of that court case, and he rightly indicated that Koala Park entered pleas of guilty to 3 charges of failing to provide veterinary treatment to koalas. They were convicted in order to pay fines totalling $20,000 and $54,996 in costs. They were further prohibited for 6 months from purchasing, acquiring or taking possession or custody of any further koalas, but there was no order to dispose of their existing koalas. The Koala Park has appealed the severity of the penalties. The court orders have been stayed until the appeal is heard. In addition to the proceedings initiated by RSPCA under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, the Department of Primary Industries issued the Koala Park with 7 directions with regard to koalas and other animals in the park under the Exhibited Animals Protection Act of 1986. The directions issued include keeping animal records up to date, fixing fences for enclosures, providing adequate shelter, removing debris within enclosures, and providing adequate veterinary treatment for the koalas. The Department inspected the Koala Park on 17 February 2016 to follow up on these directions. The Department has advised that it will continue to work with the Koala Park to ensure compliance. While a conviction under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act is grounds for suspension or cancellation of an exhibitor's authority, any decision must consider aspects such as the attitude and capacity to comply, be proportionate and take into account procedural fairness. Any decision under Section 30 of the Exhibited Animals Protection Act about suspension or cancellation of an authority is, as the member did indicate in his question, that of the Secretary of the Department. The Act provides authority to the Secretary, not to the Minister. The Department is actively considering the most appropriate course of action as a result of this, and if there are any updates on that, I'm more than happy to update the member.